Hello students, in this part we are going to talk about these fractions again. Okay, but the difference is that today we are going to represent these fractions on a number line. Okay, we know that how whole numbers are represented on a number line. See, for example, this is a number line. Okay, and we know that this is, for example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, all these are whole numbers. Okay, but we have to take into consideration whenever we divide a number line, we have to divide it into equal parts. Okay, the distance between whole number 0 and whole number 1 must be equal to the distance between whole number 1 and 2, so on and so forth, right? Okay, now the question is, how can we represent whole numbers on this number line? Okay, let's see how we can represent whole numbers on a number line. Sorry, fractions on a number line. How we can represent fractions on a number line. Okay, let's start. Now you know that this is a fraction and it is read as 1/2. Okay, let's try to represent this on a number line. See, we know that this 1/2, okay, we know that it is greater than 0, right? It is greater than whole number 0, but less than whole number 1. So what does that mean? Okay, it means that this 1/2 should be somewhere between 0 and 1. Okay, since 1/2 fraction 1/2 is greater than 0 but less than 1, it is greater than 0. Okay, 1/2 of is greater than 0 but 1/2 of is less than 1. Therefore, this suggests us that this 1/2, it should be somewhere between this whole number 0 and whole number 1. Okay, say for example, this is a number line, right? Okay, and this is whole number 0 and this one is whole number 1. Okay, and here again then there is whole number 2. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we will not go beyond 1 and 2. Okay, so we have to represent this whole number 1/2 and it must be somewhere here. Okay, so 1/2, you know that 1/2 means, okay, 1/2 means one of the two equal parts of one whole. So that means this is 1/2, this is 1/2, this is another 1/2, right? So in order to represent this 1/2, what we have to divide, what we have to do, हमने क्या करना है, हमने इस डिस्टेंस को 0 से लेकर 1 तक इसको दो हिस्सों में डिवाइड करना है, दो बराबर हिस्सों में. तो मैं यहाँ डिवाइड करूंगा, ठीक है ना? तो यहाँ पर जो नंबर होगा वो होगा this 1/2. So this is how we represent 1/2 on a number line. Let's take another example. Say for example, we have to represent this fraction 1/3. It is read as 1/3, right? Okay, now अगर हम गौर से यहाँ समझने की कोशिश करेंगे तो इसका मतलब ये है कि हमने एक चीज के 3 हिस्से करने हैं, 3 हिस्सों में से एक को हमने शो करना है नंबर लाइन पर. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? इसका मतलब होता है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज अ नंबर लाइन, ठीक है ना? दिस इज अ नंबर लाइन, ठीक है ना? अब दिस इज फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1 होल. से फॉर एग्जाम्पल जो न्यूमरेटर में है, what is there in the numerator? 1, right? Okay, what is in the denominator? 3. So that means, for example, this is whole number 0, this is whole number 1, then they are here, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to divide this region, this 1/3. It must be somewhere here between 0 and 1, right? Okay, so we have to divide this distance, okay, into 3 equal parts. Say for example 1, 2 and 3 equal parts. This is if this is 0, okay, from 0 to this region, it must be 1 by 3. So that means one part out of 3 parts. Okay, here from this region and this region together, here it will be 2 by 3, and this will be 3 by 3, that is equal to 1. Okay, so we have to represent this fraction. So here is this fraction 1 by 3, right? Okay. Okay, so for example, let's take another example, 3 by 7. Okay, so जब भी आपको कोई भी फ्रैक्शन नंबर लाइन पे शो करना होगा, रिप्रेजेंट करना होगा, तो पहले आप डिनोमिनेटर की तरफ देखना है. सो दैट इज 7. तो हमने क्या करना है, हमने नंबर लाइन को 7 इक्वल पार्ट्स में से डिवाइड करना है. ठीक है ना. फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज 0, ओके, दिस इज 1, राइट. सो लेट्स डिवाइड दिस इनटू 7 इक्वल पार्ट्स. सो फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हम यहाँ देखेंगे, सो दीज आर 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स. तो यहाँ पर तो 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स. ठीक है ना, 1 2 3 4. पर हमने क्या करना है, 7 इक्वल पार्ट्स. ओके, सो दिस इज फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज 1 पार्ट. ओके, दिस इज सेकंड, राइट. This one is third, fourth, fifth. Okay, then say for example this is 6th, and this one is say for example 7th equal parts. Okay, 7 equal parts. Okay, now we have to represent 3 by 7. Okay, from here to here it is 1 by 7. Okay, then it will be 1 by 7, it will be 2 by 7, this will be 3 by 7. So here, okay, the required number, the required fraction is here, 3 by 7. Okay, so this is how we can represent a fraction on a number line, right? So for example, आपने क्या करना है, ये सारे फ्रैक्शंस आपको नंबर लाइन पे डिवाइड करने हैं. तो आप पहले डिनोमिनेटर में देखो, सबों का जो डिनोमिनेटर है वो 10 है. सो हमने क्या करना है, एक नंबर लाइन लानी है, इसको 10 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना है. फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 then 10, right? Okay, so these are the so this is for example 0 and this is 10. आपने ये नंबर, ये फ्रैक्शंस रिप्रेजेंट करने हैं. ठीक है ना. सो दिस विल बी 0 by 10, दिस विल बी 0 by 10. सो दैट मीन्स कोई भी पार्ट नहीं आउट ऑफ 10. ओके, दिस विल बी 1 by 10, राइट. दिस विल बी 2 by 10, एंड दिस 3 by 10, this 4 by 10, this 5 by 10. Means 5 by 10 also means 1/2. Okay, 5 by 10. Okay, this is 6 by 10, this 7 by 10, 8 by 10. ठीक है ना. This will be 9 by 10, and this, okay, will be 10 by 10, right. 10 by 10 also means 1 whole, right. This means, okay, so अगर आप देखोगे here, this is the required number, 1 by 10, 0 by 10 here, then 5 by 10 here, that means 1/2. 10 by 10 means here, that means 1 whole, from 0 to 1. Okay, this is 1 whole. Okay, and we have divided this 1 whole into 10 equal parts, right. Okay, so this is how we can represent these fractions on whole number. There are some more questions. Okay, if you can represent some more fractions between this 0.1, yes, we can represent other fractions between 0.1. Okay, so how many fractions lie between 0 and 1? Okay, so there are infinite number of fractions between 0 and 1. Okay, right. Okay, so in next part of these fractions, we'll be talking about types of fractions. So what are proper fractions, what are mixed fractions, and what are improper fractions. Okay, till then, Khuda Hafiz. Okay, thank you. Subscribe Easy Classes.